Okay, so hide highlighted styles. So it's basically the same thing. So I'm just going to make hide highlighted method void. He knows what it does. L query select the highlight for each. Yes, Copilot. He knows. So I think he knows what I want him to do here. Come on, tile, highlight, highlight it. Yep, that's what it is. Get tiles. Okay, these tiles, sure. So the type should be actually capital T here. Find tiles. Okay, so console log tiles. Tile is find tiles. Okay, so find tiles should return based on the given x and z number. It will return the tile in array. Okay, so do I like it? It's like I think it's a bad habit for different class to do this, but I think it's okay because it's just one liner. Let's make this const. Okay, find path. Find path should have something to do with the tile, I guess. So pathfinder, oh, that's a calculator. Init tiles map tile occupied by equal to null. If it's occupied by so occupied by, all right, is a unit or no? Okay, can't find the name unit. Yeah, unit imported classes. Yeah. Occupied by is not initialized, right? This occupied by is no. I'm going to just put the data and data dot. If it doesn't any type. Okay, so data should have count number. Okay, now so that's one thing, one done. Hide highlighted, so just move. Actually, it can't actually move anywhere. So let's move. Hide highlighted worked, I think. Turn, move, highlighted, hide highlighted. Okay, so hide highlighted actually is working, so that's good. Get tiles, find tiles. So what is happening? Let's return the array of tile. Okay, so and find path occupied by equal to null. Set it null, and then if unit get all find unit position equals to tile position. Okay, return tile. Yeah, I think that's good. Pathfinder initializing with the array of tiles, and then path does not exist on type stage. Path any. So paths is actually very tricky. Specify different type. Yeah. It's an empty array for now. It's actually array of any for now. It's better that I define it, right? It's alright. Okay, so where was I? Find path. Array of path. Any type. It's actually unit. Pathfinder unit position. XYZ or no is not assigned a parameter of type XYZ. Find path, go to definition, find path XYZ or no. So if I allow this to be null, I'm going to get into some trouble, but sorry, I'm gonna fix it later. So L can be undefined, or L is never assigned, so const. So this path for each path, tile ID. So actually it's so highlighting the tile. I'm just going to pass this to the tile. Const tile is this tiles. Find tile no, ID equals to tile ID. What was the tile ID? Pass tile ID. And let tile to do highlight. No. Highlight itself. And go to tile, highlight. L is this ID. Maybe I will define the element at the constructor, but this has to be called after the initialization of the async, otherwise you can't find the element. So I will work on that, adjusting the timing of the, defining the element. For now, I think I'm just gonna leave it like this. Find the tag target tile. So tile, it looks like I can improve this function. So it's actually checking if the tile, well, let's return the array of tile. If tile in range I would just do that and make if tile in range, if tile in range, so it returns the boolean. It needs the origin, right? Attack origin, and attack target is this position X and this position Z, and then the distance is being calculated. If distance is 0, return false. If distance is within, okay, so range. And that's good. And I should pass the attack origin and range. The range is actually weapon length, attack, sword. Gosh, okay, it's working. Now highlight attack target tiles. Sure. So it's updating the tile itself, and it's also updating the unit component click mode to attack. So it's doing two things. I think the manipulation of the unit element, I'm just going to pass it to unit object. but then find unit on tile. So I'm just going to pass this, this position tile, highlight attack target part into tile. Okay. Highlight attack target. He knows. And then does he know what's in the clipboard? I don't know, but this is it. So that's done. And I'm just going to let unit handle this maybe. Well, let's focus on the tile class first. Move unit. Yeah. Now, you know, I was able to cut like about 16 lines of this file, and 16 lines came to here, but you know, I see the consistency of what I'm doing now. So I know I can just get rid of these lines by moving it to the constructor and making sure that the construction happens after the initialization of the a scene. When I work on that, then it will become much more clearer. I mean, this file would be